This is math lesson 98. Today we will be talking about estimating by weight or mass. And if you turn in your book, please, to 526, you see your new concept. Gwen and Theo weighed the penny jar to help them estimate the number of pennies in the jar. They found that the mass of the jar was about 5 kilograms. Then they measured the mass of 8 rolls of pennies. They found that the mass of 8 rolls of pennies, or 400 pennies, was about 1 kilogram. Use the information above to solve example 1. Create a table to help you estimate the number of pennies in 5 kilograms. Assume that 400 pennies has a mass of 1 kilogram. Since the mass of 400 pennies is about 1 kilogram, we count up by 400 pennies for each kilogram. You can do that because you know your fours. Ready? 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000. So we have your fours, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And we put it in a chart so that we know that 1 kilogram is 400, 2 kilograms is 800, 3 kilograms is 1200, 4 kilograms is 1600, and 5 kilograms is 2000. So we estimate that the number of 5 kilograms of pennies is about 2,000 pennies. Example 2. Allison knows that a pint of water weighs about a pound. She weighs a pitcher of water and finds that it weighs 7 pounds. The empty pitcher weighs 3 pounds. How many pints of water are in the pitcher? Now, we have to be careful here because this is telling us that a pint weighs about a pound. So you might want to take a little note here. Weighs about 1 pound. She weighs the pitcher of water and it is 7 pounds. So water is 7 pounds. And the empty pitcher weighs 3 pounds. So here's our question. How many pints of water are in the pitcher? So your answer has to be in pints. Since the empty pitcher weighs 3 pounds and the filled pitcher weighs 7 pounds, we know that there are 4 pounds of water in the pitcher. And the way we know that is the pitcher filled with water is 7 pounds. The pitcher by itself, when it's empty, is 3 pounds. So when you subtract, you find that water, there's 4 pounds of water there. 4 pounds of water plus 3 pounds of the empty pitcher equals 7 pounds of the filled pitcher. And since 1 pint of water weighs about 1 pound, we estimate that 4 pints of water are in the pitcher.